Hello children, welcome back to our English class. In the previous class, we learned how Abraham Lincoln made his first speech and how he made use of his opportunity to make his first speech. What qualities make him to do so? This all we discussed in the previous class. Today we can discuss more detail about Abe's first speech. We know that Abraham Lincoln was the President of United States of America. He is famous for signing the Emancipation Proclamation which gave freedom to the black people in America. This is all we studied in the history, right? This lesson describes the first public speech that Lincoln made. As a boy, Lincoln worked as a rail splitter, a person who splits logs to make rail fences. Lincoln, along with his friend, who is his friend? Yes, Dennis Hanks. Dennis Hanks attended a political meeting during which a candidate contesting the election spoke. However, the speech was not very good. After the speech, Lincoln addressed the crowd and refuted all the arguments, means replied all the arguments made by the candidate. All the people at the place, including the candidate, admitted that Lincoln's speech was better. Why? Lincoln would go on to become a fine orator who also entertained those around him with funny anecdotes. We know that the Gettysburg Address made by Lincoln is one of the best known speeches in American history. Abe was able to achieve greatness because he had the confidence to do so. And he utilized the opportunities that he got. And more than that, his friend Dennis Hanks encouraged him to do so. Without any fear of failure, shame, or any inferiority feeling, he made use of the opportunity. Some people lack the confidence to use the opportunities that they get. Some others do not get opportunities to prove their talent, isn't it? All people have some sort of potential in them. Many people do not even realize what their potential is. Even those people who try to use their potential are often discouraged by other people. With proper training and encouragement, the best in each and every person can be brought out. We know that his friend Dennis Hanks always encouraged Abe. He was more confident about Abe's abilities than Abe himself. He prompted Abe to make a reply speech after the orator spoke. Dennis made his friend believe that he can deliver a better speech than the one made by the campaigner. We know that the campaign speaker delivered the speech standing on a tree stump. Why? As was the custom. However, Abe stood on a dry goods box to make the speech. This might have helped the people to see him when he made the speech. The stump might have been too short for Abe. Abe's appearance was very shabby. We know that his dressing. He did not have new clothes. His dress was tattered and old. Yet, it did not affect his confidence. Abe was courageous enough to challenge an orator who was much more experienced than him. This shows that people who are confident about their abilities do not need expensive or fancy clothes to grab the attention of their listeners. Isn't it? Okay, let's discuss the textual questions. What made little Abe stand on the dry goods box and deliver the speech? The political speaker stood on a tree stump and made his speech. So, Abe stood on the dry good box and delivered his speech. He wanted to reply the stump speaker. Do you think good dress, appearance, position in society, etc. are needed to present yourself before the public for a speech? Normally, good dress, appearance, position in society, etc. are needed to present ourselves before the public for a speech. In the case of little Abe, it was the remarkable quality of his speech that attracted the gathering. What is the role of Dennis in bringing out the best in young Abe? It was Dennis who asked Abe to speak. He encouraged him. Dennis knew Abe's ability and being a good friend, he wished that Abe should speak and impress the audience. Do you think that everybody has some potential in them? Some people take the initiative while others do not dare to showcase their talents. What do you think are the reasons for this? Every person has some potential in them. Some come forward to show their talents while others do not dare to show them before others. There are many reasons for this. Which are the reasons? Some are lack of opportunity, lack of confidence, lack of encouragement, fear of failure, shame, etc. Then inferiority feeling, etc. are some of them. Do you know what is a caption? A caption is a text or a comment that appears before an image or picture. A caption should be brief but catching. It should attract the reader. Why I am telling this? Because in your exam you will get some pictures and you have to write the caption. Okay children, that's all for today. Any doubt, call me or message me. Okay, thank you. We can continue in the next class.